I got the Makita 5-inch and I've got the black hood on. This is some 80 grit. I'm gonna go ahead and take all the paint off this hood so we can start bondoing it. This hood is pretty much filled with rust and hail. I don't know how well this will do on the paint. I was hoping to get it finished on that one day, but unfortunately we weren't able to. So today I'm going to be pulling an all-nighter. Hopefully we can get this hood all finished. It's just crazy how fast the rust attacks the metal. I've never really seen that before. I did about 5 spots of Bondo, 6. And I've talked to my friend about it. He suggested that I actually do a skim coat all over the hood. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Just slap a thin layer of Bondo on top of the hood. I'm just going to tape off the lines. I've got my light, my fan, my other light, night. I don't know, I have no idea how long it will take me. It's about 6 o'clock right now. And I'm really limited on like the rags, acetone, Bondo. I just had to pick up another can. I bought the small can and then I bought a big can just to be safe. Guess we're going to have to find out. Let's get into it. Well guys, it's 9:30 p.m. We've gotten a good bit done. I'd say maybe 33%. But even after we're done with the Bondo, we're still gonna have to do lots of fine detailing. And I ran out of gloves. And you see when Bondo sticks to your finger, when you peel it off, it kind of sucks all the moisture out of your skin, and your skin comes off with it too.
Tomorrow for sure.
Well guys, we just came back from Walmart. I finally bought me some gloves, some proper gloves and a proper mask. And we also got ourselves some Sonic. Gonna keep us going for the night. If y'all find this video somewhat entertaining, go ahead, hit that like button down below and let me know in the comments, because it really does help me out.
6.5 hours later.
So guys, it's been roughly a day. Ignore those croaking sounds. We got a lot of frogs down here, but let me go ahead and show you guys what I've done so far. So before I show you the hood, I gotta show you the garage. Like, our garage is really small and we've pretty much got it all crapped out. I mean, that's why I need my shop, but here's how the hood turned out. So, there's the hood. Obviously, there are discolorations in the Bondo. That's really not a big deal, like right here. That's not a big deal, and then I really wanted these edges to be straight, but... So yeah, I've sanded this whole hood down with 180. I did 80 grit, then 150, then 180, and I think it's gonna turn out okay. This is my first time doing it, so I can't even talk right now, guys. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and give y'all a little time lapse. Well, it is the next day. All I'm just gonna say is the hood turned out okay. If I would have taken it to a body shop, they would have probably made fun of my work, but I think it's a good start. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks like. I did run out of primer, so I couldn't get all the primer on there. I used 2 cans. I think 4 would have been good, just to get a nice thick coat on there. So yeah, you could pretty much see all the streaks. That's just because rattle cans suck when it comes to painting large flat surfaces. Those streaks are no big deal. I do plan on taking it to a body shop and getting this reprimed with some actual primer. But you can see here the primer laid out really well right here, and then right here. And then we pretty much just ran out of primer. But overall, if you kind of look at it from an angle, you can see it doesn't really look wavy, and I think we did a pretty good job removing most of the imperfections. Now I know there is a hail damage spot we missed, like right here and then somewhere right there in that area, but for the most part the hail damage is covered with the thin layer of Bondo, so that's good. Now for primer, you have to go all the way up to 180. 150 grit is on the edge, but 180 grit is probably where you should go if you're spraying primer down. And yeah, there are some spots where I forgot to sand, and I left the 80 grit, like the edges here. But overall, I think it's a decent job. I mean, it's my first job, and to be honest, I probably won't do this again unless we move out or like I get me a shop. Just because look at all the mess we made. We barely have any space for this. But plan on taking this to a real automotive body shop. They're gonna get it primed and painted for me. I'm actually planning to go ahead and do the whole car, just because why not? It's pretty beat up, so I do have to do a lot of body work to this car, like right there. I want to make it into a track car and possibly turbo it in the future, but it's all up to me. I mean, but if you think about it, this hood definitely gonna look better painted than that piece of junk right there. This actually popped up when we were driving, and it creased right there, and then it hit the roof right there. But yeah, guys, overall I think it's a decent job. There are a good amount of imperfections showing up in the primer, but oh well. And for my subscribers out there, I'll have a few videos this week and possibly a live stream. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for the motorized bicycle and the go-kart. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more. Peace.